Hibiscus sabdariffa, commonly known as Roselle, is a versatile and culturally significant plant, known for its vibrant red calyces and numerous medicinal properties. Native to Africa, it has been embraced worldwide for its culinary, medicinal, and ornamental uses. In various cultures, particularly in island nations like Jamaica, the sour tea made from its calyces is a daily staple. We will look at the historical use, habitat, growth, edible parts, and medical benefits of Hibiscus sabdariffa. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary medicine like herbal remedies prior to trying anything new. Historical use. The historical use of Hibiscus sabdariffa dates back centuries, with records of its cultivation and use in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. In African traditional medicine, it has been utilized for its diuretic and hypertensive properties. In Egypt, the beverage known as cardiovascular is made from its calyces and is a popular drink during festivities. The plant's introduction to the Caribbean by African slaves led to its integration into local cultures, where it became a beloved ingredient in traditional drinks and remedies. Cultural significance in island nations. In Jamaica and other Caribbean islands, Hibiscus sabdariffa, known locally as sorrel, is an integral part of the diet and culture. The tangy, refreshing tea made from its calyces is enjoyed year-round and is especially popular during Christmas celebrations. The preparation of sorrel involves boiling the calyces with spices like ginger, cloves, and cinnamon, resulting in a flavorful and aromatic beverage. Beyond its culinary uses, sorrel is valued for its health benefits and is often consumed to support general wellness. Habitat and growth. Hibiscus sabdariffa thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, favoring warm temperatures and well-drained soils. The plant is typically grown as an annual in temperate regions and as a perennial in tropical areas. It reaches a height of 4 to 8 feet, with bright green leaves and striking red stems. The flowers are pale yellow with a dark red center, but it is the calyces, the fleshy red sepals that surround the seed pod, which are harvested for their culinary and medicinal uses. Edible parts and uses. The primary edible part of Hibiscus sabdariffa is the calyx, not the actual flower. The calyx is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to various dishes and beverages. Fresh or dried, the calyces are used to make teas, jams, jellies, sauces, and even wine. They impart a tart flavor similar to cranberry, enhancing both sweet and savory recipes. Additionally, young leaves and stems are edible and can be used in salads or cooked as greens. Medical benefits. Hibiscus sabdariffa is renowned for its numerous health benefits, attributed largely to its high content of anthocyanins, flavonoids, and organic acids. The calyces are used medicinally for the following purposes. Cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. The diuretic properties of the plant also aid in reducing blood pressure by decreasing blood volume. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants present in hibiscus help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Digestive health. Hibiscus tea is known to improve digestion and act as a mild laxative. It can help alleviate constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Weight management. The plant's ability to inhibit the absorption of starch and glucose may assist in weight management and help prevent obesity. Liver health. Research suggests that hibiscus extracts can improve liver function and protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of hibiscus can help reduce inflammation and pain. Additionally, it has antimicrobial properties that may help fight infections. Hibiscus sabdariffa, with its rich history and diverse applications, continues to be a vital plant in many cultures around the world. Its medicinal properties, coupled with its culinary versatility, make it a valuable addition to any diet. From the daily consumption of sorrel tea in Jamaica to its historical use in African traditional medicine, Hibiscus sabdariffa remains a testament to the enduring relationship between humans and the natural world. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing beverage or used to support health, This remarkable plant offers a wealth of benefits waiting to be explored.